Yeah, today demo class, don't repeat anything, just non-technical persons purpose, terminology purpose only. I will tell you some concepts in a way. Oracle, observe it here, slowly. Oracle, Oracle 19C. What is Oracle? Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. Same like a Java, same like a .NET, same like a Python. This is a software product from Oracle Corporation. 19 is a version number. 1978 year onwards, Oracle Corporation was released so many versions in that software. 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, 5.0, 5.1, 6.0, 6.1, 7.0, 7.1, 7.2, 7.3, 8.0, 8.1.5, 8.1.5, 6, 8.1.7. These three versions are also called as 8i, next 9i, next 10G, next 11G, 12C, 18C, 19C, 21C, 23C. Or maybe this 19 is one of the popular version. C means everyone knows that is cloud technology, cloud computing, it will be supported. That's why Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. 19 is a version number. C is a cloud technology. Okay, that is up to now. You have an idea. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Everyone knows, maybe technical persons, well-known persons. Oracle is a what type of product? Very good. Database product. Oracle is a one of the popular database product. Now screen observe it here. 19C Oracle database. What is the purpose of this database product? Suppose Java is object oriented features, it will be supported. Again, C++ object oriented features, oops, supported. Some concept based only they are implementing. .NET and C Sharp, okay. In a Visual C++, these all are object oriented languages. A C language is a procedural language. Same like Oracle is a one of the database product, popular database product. What is database? I will tell you. Don't worry. Now, what is the purpose of this database product? Means to store data. Don't write. Just observe it here. To store data permanently in secondary storage devices. In secondary storage devices. Okay, na? Yeah, up to this one, maybe so many fellows having idea. And now onwards, observe it here. Okay, up to this one, you have an idea? No? Yeah. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Here onwards, slight differences only. Suppose I am installing Oracle software in my system. You are also installing in a future. Don't worry. I will tell you how you are installing or anything. Slowly observe it here. Whenever I'm installing Oracle software into my system, then automatically some place is reserved in a disk. This is called Oracle database. Okay, database is some place only. Okay, don't worry, in a computerized system. Now, anybody tell me in this place only, you try to store some data into where this place. Okay. Now observe it here. This is correct or not? You are only guess it. Suppose I'm a first time newcomer. I'm installing a what? Oracle software into my system. Some places reserved. This is called database. Everyone knows it is a place. But I am a first time newcomer. I try to store some data into this database. Suppose I try to store any type of data. I try to store a random collection of data into where this database possible or not possible. Very good. Everyone telling a wrong answer. So many people are telling possible, they are telling. That's why slowly I'm telling only not possible, impossible. We cannot store a random collection of data into where this Oracle database. Why? What type of data it will be storing? I will tell you. Oracle, SQL Server, Sybase, MySQL, Teradata, DB2, Postgres, Ingress. In your mobile also, SQLite is a database is there. These all database softwares are implemented based on some concept is there in a future you are learning only, that is called relational data model is a concept. That's why these type of softwares always stores structured collection of data, not a random collection of data. Structured collection of data. This is so many philosophers doesn't have an idea. Only these type of databases, Oracle or SQL Server or MySQL, DB2, Sybase, these all softwares are stores a what? Structured collection of data. An organized fashion only data is there. Observe it here. Suppose these type of relational data model concepts based only implemented these all products Oracle, SQL Server, DB2. These all products are implemented based on a what? A relational data model is a concept. But unfortunately, that model was designed by a mathematician. His name is E.F. Cod. He's working in an IBM company in the olden days. That's why he is only representing a data in the format of matrix. Matrix are nothing but rows and columns. You have an idea, no? Mathematically, matrix. No? That's why here nowadays data is there in a Oracle or SQL Server, DB2, Sybase. These all software side. Here table format only data is there. This is nothing but a what? Structured collection of data. This is nothing but a what? Structured collection of data. Only these type of database software stores a what? A structured collection of data. Actually, MongoDB, those type of databases are different. That is a what? Unstructured also it will be storing. That is no SQL database. That is different. Here, SQL Server, Oracle, these all softwares are stores a what? A structured collection of data. Okay, na? Yeah. Slowly observe here. This software stores a what? A structured collection of data. Screen observe it. Suppose which softwares are storing a structured collection of data? Some fellows are asking, Murali sir, which softwares are available in a market nowadays? Because I am a non-technical person, some fellows are telling, okay, not a problem. I will tell you, don't worry, you demo classes. Oracle is a popular product, database product from Oracle Corporation. This software stores structured collection of data. SQL Server is a popular database product from Microsoft company. This software also maybe so many fellows having idea same like a Oracle. This is also relational data model concept based only they are implementing, but this is a Microsoft product. Maybe .NET programmers are nowadays using what this SQL Server database. Otherwise, some fellows are Power BI is a tool, reporting tool they are learning only. Those persons also using a what? SQL Server database. This is also stores a structured collection of data. That is a from Microsoft product. Again, MySQL, some fellows are open source. In a web-based applications, small companies are using a what? MySQL database. That is nowadays Oracle also purchasing. In that database also, we are storing a what? Structured collection of data. Maybe so many Java programmers or PHP programmers are using a what? This MySQL database in a company side. Again, now here DB2 is a IBM product. From IBM company, DB2 product is there. This is also relational data model based only they are implementing. This software also stores a what? Structured collection of data. Maybe some fellows are latestly they are working in a data warehousing technologies like Talent, Informatica. Those type of programmers are users of what? Teradata is a software that is also structured collection of data from the NCR Corporation. Teradata they are releasing only. That's why this software also stores a what? Structured collection of data in your mobiles. My mobile, your mobile side. Here SQLite is a database is there. That is also stores a what? Structured collection of data. Again, Postgres, Ingress from an okay, Ingress software. Postgres is a database is there. That database also stores a what? Structured collection of data. Because these all softwares was implemented based on a what? A relational data model is a concept. Don't worry, what is those models? We are learning later. Okay, na? Yeah. Structured collection of data. Okay, yeah. Now here, one fellow is asking, Pankaj Singh asking Murali sir, which is better, SQL or PLSQL or MySQL? I will tell you. Okay, why? Because SQL, PLSQL is there in a Oracle. SQL and TSQL is there in a SQL server. Only SQL available in a MySQL. I will tell you differences. Don't worry. Okay, yeah. First time. Now here. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Here, Oracle is a one popular product from Oracle Corporation. This product always stores a what? Structured collection of data. Okay, yeah. Now check it out. Screen observe it. Really, this database stores structured collection of data. Observe it here. This is a Oracle database. Already I installed so many classes. Students purpose. Already in my system, I installed this software. This is a Oracle database. This is a 19C version. Now observe it here. This database software only stores a structured collection of data. Yes. Observe it here. These are predefined tables Oracle Corporation provided. Which tables, what is that one? I will tell you, don't worry. Okay, first observe it here. Here, EMP, employee table, they are providing only. In this employee table, just observe it here. Observe it here. Here, these are columns. These are called columns. Employee number, E name, job, MGR. Some names are there. No? These are called columns. Here, Smith, Allen, Ward, Jones, Martin, these type of names are there. No? These are called data. These are called rows. Horizontally, these are called rows or records. Employee number, E name, job, these are called columns. Now check it out. Same like a matrix. Observe it here. Observe it here. Here, how I am given the guarantee this is a structured collection of data means just employee number column. Observe it here. In this employee number column, Oracle Corporation stored which one? Numbers only storing. Observe it here. Oh, maybe organized fashion only numbers they are storing or not? Yes. Again, E name is a column is there. In this column, they are storing a what? Only strings. Again, higher date is a column. In this column, they are storing only which one? Dates. That's why organized fashion only data is storing or not? Yes. That is called structured collection of data. Suppose here, this is a what? Our own table is there. Okay, bank is a table. In another classes purpose, we are creating. Don't worry. In this bank table, account number is a column. Okay, PO something I am giving in that class. So don't worry. Account number is a column. Name is a column. Again, balance is a column. Here 1001 account number. Murali is a account holder name. 5000 is a balance. 1002 ABC here 2000 is a balance. That's why always it will store a what? Structured collection of data or not? Yes. In this column, numbers are there. In this column, strings are there. In this column, numbers are available. Up to this one, you have an idea or not? Yes. Now check it out. Slowly observe it. Okay. Structured collection, sorry. Now structured collection of data is there. Okay, fine. But unfortunately, whenever in a database means in a relational data model product based only implemented these databases, Oracle, SQL Server, these databases side, data is stored in a where? In the format of tables, okay, structured manner. But I am also here also try to perform operations in this database. Then we are using SQL is a language. Observe it here, very important. Once a structured collection of data is there, observe it here. Now you want to operate this data in a company side, otherwise outside also. One special language they are providing only. What is that language? SQL is a language. Anybody having idea? SQL means structured query language. By using this SQL language, we are operating a data in these type of relational data model products, either Oracle or SQL Server or DB2 like this. This is not a procedural language, same like a C, same like a Java, variables and control statements, loops, these type of things are not there. This is a Non-procedural language. Loops are not there. Very easy. Same like English like commands. Insert, update, delete, select, joins, some small commands are there. And now through that one, very easily we are operating a what? Data in a database. This is a non-procedure language. Anybody can learn. Very easiest language only. SQL means structured query language. By using this language, we are operating a data in this data in these databases, relational data model product based databases. Don't worry. Now check it out. Observe here. Really, this is correct or not? Now I try to check. Now observe it here. Suppose 1 minute observed here. Suppose here DEPT is a table is there. For example, okay, so maybe some department details they are storing only. Here department number, D name, location is a column is there. Here 10th department, accounting, New York, these are locations are there. Okay, data is there. Suddenly my manager asking Murli, change this New York location into Hyderabad is a location they're asking. Just Hyderabad is a location they're asking only. Whenever I try to change this one means just I'm typing a what some command. Okay, update table name in a feature. You are also typing these commands. Very easy, 1 or 2 lines of coding. And now check it out. Hyderabad is a location where something is there. I'm typing. Now, whenever I'm typing this one, this is called SQL language. I'm typing update command something. I'm typing. This is called which one? SQL language. Structured query language only. By using this language, we are operating a data in this database. Now here, check it out. Yes, here it will be changing or not. In a previous case, New York is there, but in this case, which one? Hyderabad is location is there or not? Yes, here. That's why if you want to operate a data in a database, then we are using a what? Which language? Which language? SQL is a language. SQL is a what? A structured query language. Okay. This is also everyone knows. Now check it out. Suppose only structured query language through we are operating a what in a relational databases. Yes, 100% yes. Suppose for example, in my company, this table is there. For example, I am working in a banking project. For example, in that one, okay, bank is a table is there. For example, bank is a table is there. Now in this bank, suppose SBI bank, in a bank, okay, for example, account number 1001 is there. Murli is account holder, balance 5,000 rupees. My name is Murli, my account number is 1001. My balance is how much? 5,000 rupees. Suppose today, I try to credit some amount into where this bank, for example, okay, so now here 2,000 rupees, I try to credit. I try to deposit, for example. Whenever I'm depositing some okay managers in a where bank only, they are inserting a data. Okay, text boxes, those all the things are there internally. It happened here like this only. And now check it out here, bank values. Here I try to deposit some amount only. Okay, yeah, here 2,000 rupees I'm depositing only. Okay, again another okay fellow is depositing a what here some other amount, for example here 1,000 rupees, for example. Now again I am also okay 1001, and now here again Murli my name, and now here yes I try to deposit a what 1,000 rupees. Observe here, whenever text boxes some label buttons are there, don't worry, in a where front end side they are inserting a what some data in a where in a text boxes internally coding like this only, like same like you, some software developers, database developers writing this type of coding, then automatically this is affected. Observe here, automatically this is affected in a database. And now here, check it out. These type of operation purpose, we are learning a what? SQL is a language. These are SQL language commands. In a feature, you are also familiar. Now check it out. In this database, observe it here. Account number, Murali, 5,000. 100 Murali, 2,000. 101 Murali, 1,000 rupees are there or not? ABC account holder, 2,000. Yes, 1,000. Total balance I want, for example, this is a table they are providing in a project side in a database. Now this total balance I want, how can I? Total balance Here we are calculating manually means possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows are there, not a problem. Suppose 1000 records are there, 1 lakh records are there, manually calculating very difficult or not? That's why here you are a good experienced person, you are a database developer, just you are typing a what, some command only. In a future, SQL language is there, and now here you are command, you are typing only, and now here like this, and now here observe here, observe here, observe here. Now check it out, some command only. In a future, these commands you are familiar. Now I am typing a SQL language command, automatically that is calculated or not, 12,000. Within fraction of second, this SQL language commands purpose, we are learning a what here, this type of courses only. Okay, na? Yeah. Here total balance from the bank 12,000, here 5,000 plus 2,000, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,000. Suppose they're asking what my manager asking in a client requirement. Each and every occasion of account holder total balance I want. Suppose Murali total balance how much? 5,000 plus 2,000 plus 1,000, that is 5, 6, 7, 8,000. Okay, na? ABC account holder having a what? 2,000 plus 1,000, that is 3,000. Again, XYZ account holder, how much total balance is there? 1,000. How it will be produce a report means you are a good experienced person, just you are writing within fraction of second, here like this only, name, here sum of balance. Okay, na? In a future you are learning a course, no? In that one, from bank, bank is a table, here group by, here name like this. How much easy? Observe here. One query we are writing here like this. This is SQL language. In a future in our course side, we are learning only, don't worry. Now here, that SQL language, structured query language I'm typing means automatically server is calculated or not? Yes, morally 8,000 is a balance. ABC account holder 3,000 is a balance. Here total balance. Okay, XYZ account holder how much? 1,000 is a balance. That's why we are fetching a what, a data, retrieving a data from this database table. Possible or not? Yes, possible. But how it is possible? Only they are using a what? SQL is a language. Okay, na? Yeah, observe it here. Concentrate. Suppose why we are learning these type of courses. Suppose you are working in a software company. Now check it out. Observe it here. This is a bank, is a table is there. In this table, just they are asking a what? Your client asking. I want to display account number, I want to display name, I want to display balance, and also total balance here only I want to display. They're asking. Now I am also here also, so now here is thinking of what, suppose little bit of SQL knowledge is there, oh nothing is there, here bank dot, here star only. Okay, that is table name dot star means all columns it will be displayed, and also total balance is sum of balance like this. We are writing, I am also here also writing like this from bank. We are thinking generally, but it won't work. It won't work. So many fellows are doesn't know. It won't work. If you want to display this type of sum, average, max, these type of group functions with non-aggregatable columns, all columns means impossible in a project side, in a database. Yeah, or no? Yeah. Now you are experienced person, you are learning about these type of courses means, then lecturers are telling, yes, this is some problem is there. If you want to display aggregate values along with what all the columns means, we are converting this aggregate function into an analytical function by using a what, a over clause we are using. Okay, yeah, that much of experience is required. Here total balance, here observe here, now automatically working. How it is working, what is that one later? Observe it here, yes. Now check it out, yes, each and every total balance is displayed besides of these all columns. Possible or not possible? Suppose I don't want like this, I want to calculate each and every group, that is morally total balance how much. Yes, here XYZ total balance how much, ABC total balance how much I want means, here within this one partition by is a clause is there. Now here check it out. For example, observe it here, yes. Here observe it here, yes. Here, ABC total balance 2,000 plus 1,000, 3,000 total balance. Again, Murali account holder 5,000 plus 1,000 plus 2,000, that is 8,000 total balance. Again, XYZ here 1,000, automatically displayed or not? That's why you are experienced person. You are typing a what, some commands, these type of commands, then automatically operating a what, a data in a database. This language we are learning only in our course. Right? This is called what? SQL is a language. Okay, yeah. Now here SQL is a language. Okay, fine. Observe it here. That's why Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. If you want to operate a what data in this Oracle database, we are using a what? Which language? Very good. Everyone telling a what? SQL is a language. Up to now, okay, just roughly have an idea. That's why everyone telling a what? SQL is a language. Not only that SQL language. Anybody have an idea? Again, if you want to operate a what data in Oracle database, we are learning a what? We are using a what? Another language, not only SQL. One fellow is telling very good, correct. PLSQL is a language, procedural language extension for SQL. I will tell you what is that one. Here, SQL is a language, structured query language. In that SQL, in a project side, we can also use a what? PLSQL, procedural language concepts. They're embedded in a where SQL. Suppose in a Java, in a C, C++, loops are there. No? That is also I want to embed it in SQL language, SQL extension, procedural language extension for SQL, PLSQL they are providing only. Again, not only that one, again another language also better to know that is an option. But having idea, dynamic SQL, dynamic SQL is a language. That's why by using these three languages, we are operating our data in a where Oracle database in a company side. Suppose you are joining in a software company. Suppose some working professionals also there, I think, okay, in our class. Now those persons, suppose Oracle in a database. Now, in that case, those must good skills in aware SQL language and PLSQL language knowledge is required. Yes. Dynamic SQL that does not have two languages mandatory. So these are languages which is used to operate a Oracle database. Okay. Yeah. Now, what is SQL? I will don't worry. Now just observe the terminal slow. I will tell you today. And now check it out. Concentrate here. SQL means structured query language. PLSQL means procedural language extension for SQL. Dynamic SQL means SQL statements are executed at runtime. By using these three languages, we are operating a data in this database. Okay? Yeah, that's why I'm typing a what some commands are not yes. But unfortunately, slowly observe it here. In our course, SQL language side, which concepts we are learning? Big concepts. Okay. But one of these days, very, very important in SQL side, most powerful concepts only. Joins the concepts. Joins means fetching a multiple tables. Maybe some Java developers in our class, they have an idea. Left outer join, right outer join, full outer join, natural join. Some joins are there, no? Inner join. Those concepts only. Everywhere in the world, not only okay, Oracle programmer, not only SQL Server programmer, Java, Python, .NET, Power BI, these all data science, these all programmers must be familiar. Those are common concepts in SQL. Join the concept, very important. Another one is constraints. So many chapters are there, but main terminology I'm telling constraints. Here, if you want to maintain a lot of data in a database, their primary key, foreign key, check, unique, something is there. Those are called keys. Those are called constraints. Again, not only that one, very, very, very important in SQL language, subqueries. Query and another is also called as subqueries. Subqueries. So Java learning and 100% questions you are good at what database minimum knowledge there or not, check it out first. What is the enter question? Write a query to display salary by write a to display second day salary empty table. Otherwise, write a query to display second day salary from your own table. Otherwise, write a query to delete get rows from your table. Otherwise, what is lag? What is okay lead? Here, this type of rank, dense underscore rank, row and number. These all the things they are asking only. Why is in the side? Some knowledge means then only you are operating a data in a web database. That powerful topic. So many things are there. Oh, maybe now SQL is a language is there in that SQL language. Some concepts are there, joins, constraints, subqueries. So many things are there. Okay, don't worry. Again, in a PLSQL, why I'm telling terminology means some newcomers, Java developers, minimum basic knowledge is required to learn this. They understand our purpose. PLSQL, procedural language extension for SQL. In that one, very important, every Java, Python, .NET, this type of programmers must familiar one concept. Anybody have an idea? Very good. So many concepts are functions, triggers, packages, so many concepts are there. But first, compulsory familiar what? Stored procedure. In a side, 100%. Maybe what is Java, what is stored process, they have an idea how they are passing the values from database into where Java application, Java into where database application. These are all the things very, very important. Stored procedure, input parameter, output parameter, so many things are stored procedure and concept. That's why some concepts, stored procedures, some joins, some intro questions purpose, so many fellows are front-end Java, .NET, programmers also learning what is this status. Now observe it here in our course side, so much of syllabus is there. Just observe here 1 minute. Now, at least you're a first time newcomer means some terminology is your thing. So, like here, okay, observe here. Here, installation after you are learning once you install things. Here, DDL, along is DML, here DQL, TCL, DCL. So many commands are there. These basic building blocks in a databases. Once you are at what those things, so many things are there. How you are writing those, all the things I will tell you. Now here in that case, one of these states, your select statement will go here. For how you are writing section, where do I have, how it will be executed, those execute process, all the things. Good part of that one. Then only we are learning about joins, these type of concepts. Joins here, absolute here, left outer join, right outer join, full outer join, natural join. So much of them. Yes. Again, here constraints. Okay, yeah. Minute only. Yes, here constraints are there. Not prime before and check what is this one. All understandable. Very interesting. Once you are good at what that one here. Yes, subqueries. Even another query here. So much of concepts we are writing. Also writing about all the things. Okay, yeah. Most powerful is placed as an employee. These are enter questions. Okay, yeah. All the things I will tell you. Once you get what those things are advanced, so many things are there. Please come advanced concepts. So I will tell you. So if anybody Java developers are there in our class. Here, regular expressions you have an idea. Maybe Java. Yes, Python, Unix, these type of developers are advanced concept idea. The regular expression. Those things also Oracle 10G in our class. Absolutely. 1 minute. Regular are there. Maybe so many people having idea. Okay, some POSIX notation, this type of symbols in Java, Python, Unix, all the languages same. Generalized concepts, most interesting concepts. Now here, actually, suppose a Java developer, Python developer attending trivial validation of number validation, those type of things, they ask inter questions. Here, observe here 1 minute only. Suppose everyone having Aadhaar card, PAN card validation. Very easy. I'll tell you Aadhaar validation. Mail ID validation. Like so many things are there. Don't worry. Okay, that is SQL. Again, SQL means 1 minute observe here. Don't afraid only. Once SQL you are learning after that one extension of SQL. There is no long extension for SQL. SQL. This is what SQL introduction for here. Considers a subset database. There are exceptions. Say I catch through finally what this said, but the difficulty is not there. Very then subprograms. So very important. In out, in out, and all the stored functions, triggers, packages. But not only Java, not all of us. Those are applying a job. SQL develop jobs are very important. So they are saying only developers. Okay, persons not only the sufficient knowledge here. Yeah, concept they must fill here. Those persons purpose anybody else in those type of things types feeling only. Here captions will be able by performance doing concept, rip cursors, most portfolio, pure database of website, external tables, SQL load, those all the things. So if your story image means below data type, this Java developer side also help. Next here, dynamic SQL. That's optional. Runtime. Okay, those are all the things how we are learning. There's a small subtitle what I'm telling you. Okay, this type of things. That's why our course concepts are there out here. What are the course we are learning in means that database product of database product. Now here, yes, here later I will tell you. Now observe here. Now one fellow is asking only, Murali sir, are you providing DBA? No. This is not a DBA course. Database administration course is different. Okay, maybe anybody professionals are there, you learn from those persons. I am a PL/SQL developer basically. That's why these are, but these development course for Java, these type of programmers said we have data science in which side. Those are fundamental SQL PL languages. Okay, not a DBA. DBA course is administration. That is different total. Okay, yeah. And now observe here. Now check it out. Suppose Oracle product from Oracle, the product from this is a database. What is the database product? Roughly, they are understandable to store data permanently. Why means this data is useful in a suppose you are orders. The order number will generate the database. Auto increment concept is there. Suppose in a bank, your account number, my account number, not same. Unique identification of the account generate how? So that is auto increment concept in database. Without database, possible. This application 99% of every software application having a what? Database. Without database, impossible. That is not a visual. Suppose in a Google, you don't know anything else, just something with terminology or type only. Where is coming from? Database. From the database. But we are mining about database means good professionals are required in a software. That's why we are thinking about database. Really, still so many lessons are there in worldwide in database side. And now here, but very easy. Once you are learning means nothing. Very easy only. And now check it out. Concentrate. Technical terminology with you. 5 or 10 minutes. Concentrate. Very important. And now check it out. Observe it. Shall we cut it 5 minutes? Not a problem. Hello, hello, hello. First time. No? Shall I continue? 5 minutes. Yes. And now concentrate. First time. And now 5 minutes concentrate. Don't take the concepts. I will tell you. My interest because that's why I'm interested in subject. And now check it out. Concentrate here. Suppose I am working in a company. 5 minutes concentrate. Don't disconnect only. Now I am working in a company. My project is Oracle project. Okay, company side means so many projects are there. For example, Oracle database project. I'm working example today. I am also software. They are using which language? SQL is a language. Okay, fine. Up to this one, there is no problem. Okay, fine. But unfortunately, software companies mean so many projects are there. Suppose same like a Oracle database in my big MNC side, are now here another project also there. Same that is database project. That is database project. That is a SQL server project from Microsoft company. Microsoft. This is also same like Oracle database. Some employees are working in a way in this project. I am not working. Some other fellows are working, for example. Those persons also using a what? Operating a data in this SQL, this SQL server database. Which language? SQL is a language. Again. MySQL is a database. Same like a software. SQL is a database. Okay. From the way open source, but nowadays Oracle is purchasing. Don't worry. Now, some fellows are working in a MySQL database. Those persons also operating a what data in a where in this database they are using a what? Which language? SQL is a language. SQL is a language. Now, what is my doubt is these all SQL languages are same or different? Only one answer is correct. What is this one? Confusing. These all SQL languages are same or different. Maybe so many first time newcomer confusing like this. No, yeah, that's why I'm telling about first day this one. Now. Very good. So many fellows are telling about Murali sir. All SQL languages are same. They are telling only 100% wrong answer. Wrong one. These all SQL languages are not same. Why so many Java, .NET, Python? First time newcomer in our class. Yes, they are experienced person in a okay in a Java side also they are mistaken. Why means reason is there. Maybe academic career side, maybe fresher level, so many fellows are there in our class, I think. And now here academic career side, DBMS theory paper is there. In that one, maybe in a database lab is there, I think. SQL, okay, Oracle or SQL server, MySQL. In a lab, they are providing only in just practice purpose. And now here in that case, so many fellows are fundamental. They are learning insert, update, delete, select. Some commands they are typing, I think. Those commands are same, really. Those commands, 4 or 5 commands are same commands are there in every database. That's why maybe they're confusing only. They're thinking of what? Same only. But unfortunately, these are not same. 4 or 5 commands are same, I'm agree. But SQL languages are not same. How you are understandable? These all SQL languages are not same. And now here so many fellows are guessing only very good, great. And now here experienced persons are there in our class. One fellow is telling only someone you are telling correct. And now here observe here, these all SQL languages are not same. How you are given the guarantee? This one means simple tech some object oriented languages are there in our okay, so now academic career side, maybe some other fellows software developers are well known persons. C++ is an object oriented language, no? Yeah. Again, Java is an object oriented language. Observe here, 5 minutes concept. Again, in a C++ and Java, object oriented language means whoops features are there, no? Yeah, very good. Here, what are the whoops features? They are learning only. That's why these programmers are available in a worldwide ETL developer. How they are fetching a data? GUI, graphical user interface is there, not a coding. Okay, GUI is there. Okay, don't worry. Yes, ETL developers, they are interested means 1 year plus any experience is there. Those persons are very less coding. Coding is not there. But these persons are interview point of view, basic low level SQL knowledge is required. PLSQL also not required, plus basic SQL they are learning, and also yes, here ETL tool, any ETL tool they are learning only. Okay, yes, here tools knowledge is required. Suppose so many ETL tools are available in a market, in a worldwide. Here maybe some fellows having idea of which one. Yes, Informatica in olden days onwards this will be there, but latest trend side, so many worldwide companies are using a what, another technology, that is talent. These are popular. In olden days, another one is their data stays. These type of GUI tools, they are learning also intro point of view, some okay, other transaction understandable point of view. Now here, minimum basic knowledge is required in SQL. That's why these type of developers also learning a what, a basic SQL, basic enough. Next, again, some other fellows asking only, I want very easy job compared to ETL developer also. Yes, very easiest job is there in a worldwide, latest. Now, nowadays, that's why so many opportunities are there, utilize that one. Suppose here, once data is stored in a staging area, here, some reports we are generating higher authority person purpose. Those reports they're observing what higher authority managers, again fastly their decision making only, that is called analysts nowadays. That is business analyst is a job is there. Those are also called as report programmer. Very easiest job, very easiest job in a worldwide, no coding, report programmer. This is so many fellows are doesn't know, but they are calling as a professional way in a business analyst. And now these programmers are learning a what, a minimum basic low level SQL enough. What is database, what is queries, okay, joins, okay, subqueries, like the simple. Okay, plus here in a reporting tools, okay, so now they are learning enough. Reporting tool is there. Now here actually, suppose anybody, your relatives are working in a where, yes, in a reporting tool, tab view. Anybody have an idea? Tab view is a tool. Again, quick view is a tool. Otherwise, some SQL server programmer learning a what? Power BI, latest technology, Power BI tool. These persons better to avoid a what, Oracle. Compared to Oracle, SQL server better to learn. Okay, yeah. These type of jobs are very easy. Okay, BOs, OBA, so many things are there in the olden days. Those persons also interested to learn a what? Minimum basic SQL knowledge is required. Suppose another type of persons, suppose for example, now anybody having idea, SAP ERP is there in a worldwide. SAP ERP is there. Enterprise resource planning. Okay, popular ERP. In that SAP side, ABAP technical is there and functional. So many modules are there. Okay, yes. And now in that one, SAP side, SAP HANA is there. Maybe some experienced persons having idea. Those persons are compulsory, they are learning what, SQL, basic SQL. Why they are learning what basic SQL means, in that SQL language, joins I told no, something only, multiple table data retrieval, same like views is a concept is there. Those things they are using only. Those persons also learning what basic SQL. Again, another type of persons. Suppose here, Oracle apps is a ERP is there, but that is difficult. Oracle apps in a worldwide ERP is there. Maybe anybody working professionals are there, they have an idea. ERP is there. That is also popular ERP, but difficult, really difficult compared to SAP. And now who are working in a way this one? Yes, here SQL knowledge is required. Not only basic, advanced also required, and strong PLSQL knowledge is required. Very strong PLSQL knowledge is required only. That's why these type of persons are not available in a worldwide. Very less persons are there. That's why companies are providing a training. Once they are recruiting as a good SQL programmer, they are providing a PLSQL, they are providing a D2K developer 2000, AP, AR, GL, HRMS. These modules they are providing a training only. That's why nowadays experienced persons means outside knowledge is very less, but companies only they are giving the more training only. Now here, observe it here again. Another type of programmers. What is that one means? Here nowadays, latest trending only another database related jobs are there. Cloud ERP, Oracle Cloud is there. Anybody have an idea? Fresher level also, so many fellows are recruiting only Oracle. This ERP also minimum basic SQL knowledge is required. Basic SQL knowledge required only. Yeah, everywhere basic SQL there. Observe it here. That's why so many fellows are latest wise. They are learning what is going on. At least minimum basic knowledge is there enough. Again, another type of jobs nowadays, latest trending. These are the things nowadays. So many fellows are recruiting award in a okay, so consultancy through in a okay, so LinkedIn. You are observing not always full stack developers. Companies are recruiting like that. Suppose Java full stack, .NET full stack, a PHP full stack, Python full stack developers. Compulsory, yes, front end knowledge is required, and also yes, here minimum basic SQL knowledge is required. Minimum basic. That's why all full stack developers are learning a what minimum. Maybe in their course only they are telling a what that minimum basic. I think any full stack developer. These are latest trending jobs only. Because of okay, so now here anybody Java related JavaScript, there some fellows are intelligent fellows. Script properly they are learning, and minimum basic SQL knowledge they are preparing. They are getting a good advice. Though so many opportunities are there in a company side, JavaScript as minimum basic SQL, both the things are